Hello everyone, welcome back to CH Explores. We are Charlotte and Corey and this is 24 hours in Alicante. We're kicking off our day here by visiting the most famous landmark in Alicante, and that is the Santa Barbara Castle.
It is a bit of a hike to get up here. I think we have to climb about 400 feet from the sea level up to the top of Santa Barbara Castle. But it's glorious. We're so happy to be here in this nice warm weather. If you saw our previous vlogs, we were in Dartmoor. It was very cold. We got down to like, I don't know, 1 degree overnight, 4 degrees during the day. It was freezing, so we're so happy to be here in this lovely warm sunshine. And look at that castle. Let's go and explore.
Oh, wowee, this view is incredible. These mountains, the mountains look stunning. I guess we've got the morning lights here and they just look so inviting. I'm gonna go hike them, but the view is incredible. Over that way I can see the ocean along the coast. We've got all the mountain ranges and the rest of Alicante.
Yes, if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button because we are going to be hiking and exploring all around this region. We're getting a camper van, which will be in the next vlog, and you will see all of the Costa Blanca as we explore it on the road.
We found a doorway, so we're going to follow people. Oh my God. Woohoo! We just keep finding all these hidey holes and these pathways up here. How beautiful. God, that was so brave. I've been so brave lately. Corey! Why do you do these things? Come over here. It didn't look very safe above there.
So already we're getting pretty magnificent views, and as you can see, we're not even up the castle yet. We're just kind of like exploring the boundary walls. You can actually walk all the way down one of the walls, and we can see over on this side of the castle, there's a road which leads up to, I'm guessing that's where maybe the tour buses come and sort of drop people off. So we'll head up that way and see if we can find the entrance. But so far we haven't paid anything to be here. So pretty cool, amazing views for free.
Open every day, free entrance. Wow. I think they said that this was the remains of the old bakery. These big circular stones, I guess, for the grinding. But it just seems so well preserved here, and I can't believe that it's free. I'm not sure if that's just off season, it's free, but either way, there's a lot of people around maintaining the area, cleaning, and there's the cafe, and there's the staff welcome you when you come in. If it was in the UK, I guess we'd pay like £20 to enter. But here it's free, and it is really beautiful, and the views are spectacular. See down to the main beach, all along here. And there's some people down there, but I'm gonna go join them later. I definitely want to go and take a dip. A little bit scary standing here. I'm glad they have the glass. I probably wouldn't have stood that close. Imagine medieval times. Pooh. Bye bye. We have made it to the top, the very top of this castle. There's so much to explore here. We've been here for quite a long time. Definitely like a good half day, a few hours you need up here to explore all the areas. Stop for a little drink. There's a couple of cafes here we've found.
Yes, this is the very top of Alicante. If you want to get a good view, a perspective of sort of the lay of the land, this is where you need to come. We can see right down both ends of the coast, up and down, and you can see all the mountains around. There's another fortress as well on this side, just to the west of this castle. There's a 19th century fortress, which is a little bit lower, and you can see the harbour, the port and everything. But what a spot. This is just spectacular views from up here, monstrous.
Fantastic, I can't believe it. It's free. Excellent, 10 out of 10.
Well, that was a spectacular castle. It's so amazing, this rock. When we were climbing up here, I was just looking at the building and like how some of even the rock structure, the actual rock this castle is built on, is supported by stonework, man-made stonework. And it has been attacked numerous times because this Alicante as a city was kind of like a garrison, like a military city. So it was attacked by the French and the British numerous times, and it got pretty well destroyed, and then it went through a civil war as well. So heaps of history here, heaps of changed hands. It's changed ownership many times, but yeah, lots to explore. Take your time and explore all the little nooks and crannies because there's so much to see and do up there.
Come to the main boulevard now in Alicante, opposite the Marina, and this is a really nice place to come for a stroll in the morning or the afternoon. There's markets here and lots of places to eat, and that is why we're here. We're going to go find somewhere to have lunch because we worked up an appetite exploring the castle. We have a few markets here, bits and bobs along the boulevard. I'm not a big fan of markets though. I find they tend to be very copy and paste. There's obviously some really well-known markets around the world, but generally I don't find them too exciting, but if you do, there they are. We have come to Bodhigreen, and it's a vegetarian restaurant. It's actually just located one street behind the main boulevard. We've gone for a 2-course lunch special meal. So I have soup, Corey's got a salad, and we have a curry and a big butter bowl coming for our mains. Well, this looks absolutely delicioso. This is smelling very garlicky.
Very, very yummy. Quite busy in there too, so that is always a good sign.
We have popped back to the apartment we're staying at. We're staying on the Mushroom Street. I'm not sure if that's the official name, but it's one of the main streets here in Alicante, and we're gonna go get a swimming costume because we want to go into the ocean.
Walking down this main boulevard, I have to pinch myself because I just cannot get over how beautiful and warm it is. It is March right now, so we're very early on in March, so we're just sort of in that transitional phase between winter and spring. Spring is coming, it's very close, and you can feel it in the air. There's a breeze, but it's not a cool breeze. There's a little bit of warmth in there, hence why we are off to the beach. It's lush in here, it's so nice. Just a little bit of wave, clear water, and we're right beneath this ancient historic fortress. It's a beautiful spot.
How nice to be in the ocean, Mediterranean Ocean. I think it's about 14-15 degrees, so it's fresh, but it's nice. It's alive.
It's such a good spot too.
I know, it looks amazing. Look at that backdrop for a beach. Pretty good.
We have taken a little wander down to the city beach. This is Playa del Postiguet, and it's perfect if you just want to get a little bit of vitamin D. You want to dip your toes into the Mediterranean Sea. There are heaps of apartment buildings, and this is situated right below the rock, the castle that we climbed earlier this morning. So it's a great central location. The beach is relatively clean. There's like a little bit of like, I don't know, like wash up on the beach. But the water's nice and clear. You can definitely go for a little swim here. It is lovely. And that is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna enjoy this afternoon sun, which we haven't had in ages, and then go for a swim. Well, I'm just taking a lovely little afternoon stroll down by the marina. You can see all the boats. I've had such a nice day. The weather here, honestly, I keep going on about it, but I can't get over it. It's so nice. But this is a recommendation for you to take a little afternoon stroll down here. It's so peaceful. There's just people just milling about, going about their days and their afternoons. There's not much wind in the air, the water's super flat, and it looks like there's some tours from here as well, so you can definitely take some tours out onto the water if you want to do that. But yeah, what a spot. We've just had such a lovely time here in Alicante. Okay guys, so that is it for our Alicante vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel, because we are about to explore the whole region around Alicante, the beautiful Costa Blanca, from this camper van we have just picked up. We're so excited. So join along for that and you'll be able to see all of the adventures we have around the Costa Blanca.